the rule of law is very important in any country. And when you don't have people following the rule of law, then you end up having anarchy. And this is one of the problems we have been having in Africa, where you find that most of the leaders or people who are wealthy or technocrats or politicians, they use the advantage of the courts by making sure that rulings which are made there, it's actually favoring them. And they try as much as possible to actually influence the outcome of any court rulings. This is because they have mastered the way of actually making sure that they can be able to bribe their way to have justice. And this has created a lot of problems in African countries, where you find that most of them, they have ended up being war-ravaged, or some of them, they don't have peace. If you look like countries like Congo, you go to countries like Somalia, and other African countries, and this has been a problem in African countries. It's very unfortunate that you see leaders trying as much as possible to make sure that there is always no justice by making sure that they have influence in courts, maybe by making sure they can corrupt the judges or lawyers. And this has become a major hindrance to making sure that those people who deserve justice, they don't get it. Especially if you find people who are being accused, they are very rich, and they make sure that they use the money they have or the wealth to muscle in and make sure that they get justice which favors them. And this is only through corruption. And this, it's a very sad moment for many people in Africa. And that's why you see Africans don't develop, because you see people make sure that they have things to do with corruption. They make sure that they can break their way out because it's easy, because most of the lawyers or judges, most of them, they are also rogue judges. So it makes it very easy for them to be compromised by these people. That's why we say it's always the trick of the law.